Cosmic Morse code, solved. Astronomers just figured out what's been pulsing through space. It's a red dwarf and a white dwarf, two stars locked in a magnetic tango, 1,600 light-years away. Every 125 minutes, they blast radio waves like a stellar SOS. ... No aliens, just a cosmic power couple. Telescopes caught the signal and it's rewriting how we see stars. Could more be out there? Natural wonder or alien hello, you decide. Like, comment, and follow for more space secret. Next up, black hole eats star. See ya!